Okay, this is a video for you, Justin, to show you the strategy in action. So let me start sharing the screen. And you can see here, I've got a chart up on TradingView. You don't have to have all these things on. This is because I teach it. This is Audusd. If I come over to the FinViz currency, you can see Aud is stronger there. That's Australian dollar than the US dollar. So I'd want to be buying that. Come over to HourGlass, which is our strategy. 4 minutes 38 left on this 5-minute candle. It's given me a put, which is a sell. It says the Aud is stronger, so that currency strength meter doesn't count as the 1 point out 7 because it's stronger than the US dollar. You can see that it is resisting against this thick red line, which is called the 200 moving average. We do have a red put, which is 1 point. It's off this line of resistance, which is 2 points. But we do want to have these start to tick down. These need to be bending down in our favor. So that would be 1 point there, 2 points at the moment. So we want a minimum of 3 for a good trade. It called it at 77886. It's at 77903, as you can see on the price here. And I'll come over to my broker and see what the price is there, which is 903 on a 3-minute non-fixed time. 3-minute non-fixed time. So I just want it to push up a little bit, and then where we want it to come down, if you remember that 200 line of resistance here. I'm on the 1 minute, so it's just going to move now. Come back to HourGlass. That blue candle, which is a buy candle, it's still pushing up. And we're now deep into this 5-minute candle with 3 minutes 13 left. Look down here, I've just passed the 15-minute candle. Market timing changes on the 15, the 30 and 45 and the hourly. And you can see that is still pushing up. So it's this line of resistance here. However, what I do like about this is it's paying out at 70%. We don't like it to go lower than that on these percentages. That's what the broker is paying out. So for every dollar risk, you get 70 cents back. So this 200 moving average is a rolling line of support and resistance. And at the moment, it's stopping price moving down. That really shows us that price is consolidating a bit. So I'm going to wait till it turns around again. I'll just show you back here. It just is trying to move down at 903. And it's just going now, so I'm going to take a put on that. I got in at 899, and on the broker it said 886. So come back over here, you can see the strike price 899, 899, 899, and called at 866. So that's quite good if you're getting a bit higher up. These are now pointing down. So I've got off the line of resistance 1, the put and the red arrow, 2 points out of the 7. If you remember, 3 for that pointing down, 4 for that pointing down. They're just varying slightly. So it's 4 points out of 7. So that is a good trade. And you can see it's just come down now, 893, 893. So I'm in profit. I have to make a decision 45 seconds before the purchase deadline. On the whether I'm going to roll over, whether I need more time for it to breathe, as we call it. Now, if I roll over, I'm out of this trade 2 minutes 30. I've got, 2 minutes to go, 2 minutes to go. So 1743, 843, 1920. So I was in it for just under 3 minutes. So you have to make a decision if you want to roll over. That opportunity has now passed, but if I did roll over, then that would increase my risk 30%, but it also pays out more. I've just put it on my GBP little demo account here. Sorry, not a demo, but a smaller GBP account. So there are 4 different brokers you can use. We tend to use several, so that you can just see it's pushed up again. Oh,